Page 3 of our Chapter 1 review packet, we're going to show the calculations for volume. This is a rectangular prism, so length times width times height is fine. The only trick is the 926 is in centimeters. The other units of measure in meters. You've got to make sure they're all the same. So I'm going to just move the decimal back 2 places, centimeters to meters. Move the decimal 2 places back, or divide by 100. Okay. Now we just plug into the formula and solve. That's it. Next one, they gave us diameter. Make sure you change that to radius. The volume formula for a cylinder. So we have to make sure we identify this as closest to a cylinder. Pi r squared h. Okay, radius is 6.5, so we'll square that. Round to the nearest hundredth, so 2 places. This one has a little more involved. So the 7 is the slant height. We need the height of this cone. So there's a cone on top, and then there's a cylinder on the bottom. A little strange. The radius of both is 2 inches. And it's a little strange, but left to right is the height of the cone. And the 6 left to right is actually the height of the cylinder. So the height's technically your distance between your 2 bases. So for the cylinder, the 2 bases are the circles. So the height's actually 6. First, we have to calculate the true height of the cone. So that's the square root of 45. So 1/3 pi r squared times h for the cone. Okay. Now, if you change that to a decimal, the square root of 45, you're a little under 7, and we shouldn't round until the very end. So go ahead and calculate it without rounding. Now the cylinder, pi r squared h. So you don't have to show me the formula. You do have to show me that where you substituted the measurements in to the formula. So at least it's showing enough work. All right, so the cone, 28, cylinder, 75. Add those together. $103.5. All right, next. That's it.